Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 2 of IT Career Essentials. So this video is going to cover, I think, slides 1 to 7. Slide number 2 is our agenda, and you'll see that posted in DC Connect as well. It tells you what we're going to cover. So in class, I'm going to give you a 30-second summary of what is marketing, because marketing is what you're doing for this part of the course. You're learning how to market something, and you're marketing yourself. So you need to know a little bit about what marketing is. And then I'm going to talk about what is an elevator pitch as a strategy that you use to market yourself. And then if you're watching the videos, it might be a good time to take a break and stretch. And then I'll talk about the personal brand assignment. And there's 2 parts to that assignment: an elevator pitch, which is what I'm talking about here, and a LinkedIn profile. So that's what we'll do in the synchronous MS Teams class as well. Online or at home, I've got some slides for you to go through, and some tasks for you to do to look at different ways that you can market yourself through social media, such as using Twitter. And kind of for homework, something to do at home is complete and submit your high 5 reflection. Just a reminder that that one won't be due. Okay, so this is like, what is marketing anyways, and what does this have to do with me? Well, what you're actually doing when you're preparing things like a resume and a cover letter and a LinkedIn profile is you're marketing yourself. You're trying to sell yourself, give a sales pitch to a potential customer, which is an employer, why you're awesome and why they should hire you. So this is some information. What is a business? And you're a business. Your purpose is to create a customer to get an employer, right? Sort of showing how it's similar what you're doing as somebody who's selling widgets or something. And one of the things you need to remember, any good business needs to remember, is before you start marketing your product, you got to figure out what your customer, that's going to be the employers, want. Right? So you know to market the best features, you know to market what makes the strengths and the uniqueness. So I invite you to pause the video here, and hopefully you have the PowerPoints open, and click on this little 4 P's of marketing if you're not sure about marketing, and watch this video. It's 2 minutes, and you'll have a better understanding about marketing, just the very basics of what is marketing. So like I said, our strategy is going to be to identify your strengths and then market them. And in slides 6 and 7, those are just refreshers about personal branding, because that's figuring out what your brand is that you're marketing. Those are just refreshers from last week to remind you that's what a personal brand is, and these videos can help you figure out your personal brand. So I'm going to stop here and I'll start again on slide 8.